So we have our culprit on the last day of the journey. That part is Karnataka and this is Kerala. Hello people, day 4 and the visit to the doctor was a must. Nothing major, we just had to lube the chain. We were out of chain lubrication, so we came to this two-wheeler workshop and got the chain lubricated with some oil. We started from home after breakfast. It's about 11 o'clock and today is the day to head back. We're about 360 kilometers. No, yeah, we have about 360 kilometers, 350 today to reach home. Let's roll. Gloves alle. Gloves. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ? Mom, alone, mom, spelling all Kerala, Karnataka. We're riding through some. This is the highway, but a lot of forest and nice roads. I'm just enjoying the ride more than anything else. Just sliding the bike left and right and curves, leaning in. How come I don't see any lottery tickets? What is that? Mom, lottery ticket is for lottery. Say, ball left and So I have come to test my luck. Where I am going now is the most unluckiest place I think I have ever been to, but I am still going. Innathe nalladaya? Moon modide. Set in there? I think 5 lottery tickets. I will know my luck today at 3 o'clock. I've been doing this whenever I come to Kerala. I keep doing this on a regular basis. I don't know what's the logic behind all this, but I randomly pick some numbers. Mom, 3 o'clock we'll know the fate of my luck. In case we win something big, we'll take a U-turn and come back to claim the prize. I think this is the closest to the border. Okay, we'll stop. What is there? We need to shop for we need to stop to have fruit juice or milkshakes. He's hungry, he's thirsty, dehydrated. Me too. I've never picked a lottery ticket from a shop previously, but this is my first time. I normally purchase it from petrol pumps There are people who keep selling it. And then, yeah, see some people like that over there. This time I thought, okay fine, why not take it private from a shop. I found this cafe here. All for ourselves. So we finished our rehydration breakfast. That part is Karnataka and this is Kerala. If I'm not wrong. So, this was constructed in 1928 and is still being used. Welcome to Karnataka state. Let's go see the writing. There was something written, construction Madras, something, some company. Kutupura Bridge, B class load, 1928. Oh, that is Kerala, this is Karnataka, and this river belongs to whom, ma'am? Let's go! Why can't they put up a decent board? So if it is 1928, it is a 91-year-old bridge. If I am not wrong, right? If my math is right. We are in 2019 now. 18 plus 1, yes, 91-year-old. See who's here? He wanted a ride, the royal ride on the Royal Enfield with me. There's so many butterflies, so many. The road is filled with butterflies. These are all the effects of the recent monsoon landslides. The breeze is nice, chill breeze once you, what do you say, I'm lost, I'm out of words. I need to go attend a spoken English class before I come for a ride, I guess. I need to collect words. It's been about 10 minutes I've been waiting for him. He hasn't turned up, so I think before I head back, let me make a call to him first. He was right behind me. I could spot his headlight all the way. End of this town, he wasn't here. No service. Let's turn back and find our friend. He's lost. He can't get lost because it's a straight road. I don't understand why he would stop. There's no need to stop as well. Hey, yellow over there. Huh? ನಾನು ಊರು ದಾಟುವಾಗ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿರರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸರಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಬ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಗೇರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ. So we have our culprit on the last day of the journey. Helmet ಹಾಕೋ. ತಲೋ. So I'm driving without a clutch. Dang. Every time we carry a spare cable and it never comes in use, so this time it was a hurry. Yeah, I did forget. He also forgot. We forgot to bring the chain loop, we forgot to get the clutch cable, and here we are. Not a big issue. We can kind of sort it out. Like a 20 minutes work. Get it replaced once we find the spare. So he wasn't confident riding the bike without the clutch cable, so we swapped bikes. Fast ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗೇರಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಲ್ಲ ತಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ನಿಂತೋದ್ರೆ. If I get stuck or if I'm supposed to stop by mistake, then I need someone to push me ahead little so I don't damage the bike. I think confidently I can shift to one more gear. I'm still not confident. Okay. So finally we found Royal Enfield Service Center. Last time his chain sprocket screwed up while returning, midway. This time his clutch cable snapped. But still we managed to find Royal Enfield service centers both the time. So that shows how their network is spread. We stopped at Kepe County.
Kerala lottery. I missed 3 tickets with one number. I don't know if they really know it or no. I got this, I didn't get. It was For 8736 I got 8436 at this one. This there was no option. Instead of 8740 there was 8440. Instead of 8725 there was 8225. Now whether should I buy lottery or no the next time, I have no idea. But as of now I am pissed off with this. Tear it like this and throw it like this. How will you tear it like this? Pissed off with lottery.
Yathish is making memories with Adit, Royal Enfield dealer. Yathish is making friends with all Royal Enfield dealers around South India, I guess. He's on a target to reach most of the Royal Enfield dealerships with small repairs on the go. But eventually you will end up going some one day or the other if you own a Royal Enfield. No matter how much you try avoiding it, you will be dragged. It's a magnetic strength inside. 178 to go. Let's hit it. When we find traffic, it only means one thing. We reached Bangalore city. So it's time to say bye to Yathish. But I don't see him behind me now. माँ मेरा मरता ही जेलर आ बड़ा Huh? Sumne mom, every time this rain, no, it plays, makes us a fool. Ninian mom, 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇನ್ನ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಟ್ಲ ಹತ್ರ ತಾನೆ ಒಂದು 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅದೇನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ ಸರಿ ಹೌದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬರಲಾ ಓಕೆ ಡನ್ See you. Good night. So we part ways now. As I was thinking about wearing the rain cover, wearing the raincoat and rain pant and feeling hot inside, I thought I'll get off of it only at home. Just a few kilometers away before I stop, wearing the rain jacket proved to be worth it. I've been dry all the day and wet for the last 2 to 3 kilometers. Until next time, bye bye.